Welcome to another episode of Racing2Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. And whenever you see a big mountain of dirt like this, you've got to take advantage. We're here with our Losi XXL2-E, a massive beast of a truck, and we're gonna have some fun with this pile of dirt. So right now we are running this on 6S. So let's do a little jumping. These mounds of dirt are probably about 8 feet high. So we've got some really good terrain here. Let's bring it back around. XXL2-E was just made for stuff like this. This is so fun. And just scaling these these 8-foot mounds of dirt here with these, the XXL2-E. Now the slipper clutch might need to tighten it. Looks like might be slipping a little bit excessively, but with 6S running here, that's not necessarily a bad thing. And you can notice sometimes we'll lose traction on one wheel there. Definitely put in some diff fluid into the disc to provide a limited slip action there, and the differentials would improve handling on loose dirt like this. Or you could just mash the throttle. Ooh. Bobcat here. You see the dirt flying here. Dug myself in. This is odd. We're not getting power to the front wheels. You'll notice here. Looks like something's broken, but we're still gonna have fun with this. We've still got rear wheel drive, but definitely something is not right. Actually, we are gonna stop running this. I think what happened here is that the axle, the yoke, the differential, maybe that set screw came loose again. So we'll have to go check it out. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.